Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how to replace the old damaged cushion of a HyperX Cloud Stinger headphone. Here is the condition of my old headphone. As you can see, it is very dirt and the ear cushion has worn out badly. It is very difficult to clean it properly, so I decided to replace it. I ordered a new cushion separately from Crescendo through Amazon. The product link is given in the description. The package also includes an instruction manual explaining how to replace the cushion, along with a small plastic tool to help fix the edges. Now, coming to the replacement process, first we need to remove the old cushion. Most headphones are designed in such a way that the old cushion can be easily removed and replaced. There are small gaps where you can fit the edge of the new cushion. Before installing the cushion, it is important to clean the surface properly. I am using a wet cloth first to remove dirt and then a dry cloth to wipe and clean the surface completely. Now I am trying to fix the new cushion. However, I faced a small issue. My HyperX Cloud Stinger headphone model didn't exactly match the dimensions of the cushion I ordered. I tried to find the exact model online, but unfortunately, I couldn't get the perfect match. Ideally, if the cushion dimensions match perfectly, you don't need any glue. There is usually a proper locking mechanism to fix the cushion securely. But in my case, since the size was slightly different, I decided to use Fevicol to fix it. While applying glue, be careful not let it enter the inner part of the headphone. Apply it only on the outer surface. After applying the glue, fix the cushion properly and press it in place. Since it takes some time to dry, I used a few weights to hold it firmly and kept it under sunlight for faster drying. The result is not 100% perfect, but I managed to replace the cushion and it works fine now. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.